Hey, what's up, guys? The seller gifted me this foam cannon so I could try it out, and I went and bought this Adams strip wash here. So I wasn't sure actually how to use it at first because I'd never had a foam cannon before, so I just was using it wrong in all kinds of ways. So just wanted to make a video real quick to show you how to use it. Um, to start, it has a quick connect here, and all you want to do is fill the canister up just about to the top with water. If you can see, it has markings on there. So you fill that up and then you grab whatever wash you're using. Again, I'm using the Adams. And you just want to pour in about 2 or 3 ounces or so. I'm just pouring a little bit because, as you can see, I already have a bunch in it. So you pour that in, put your top back on, and then connect it back with your quick connect. And that's it.